I'm buying a new car this weekend.
Really? I'm thinking of getting one too.
I'm considering a few models.
I'm looking at electric cars.
I'm leaning towards a hybrid.
That's a good choice. I'm trying to be more eco-friendly.
I'm visiting several dealerships tomorrow.
I'm joining a friend who knows a lot about cars.
That's helpful. I'm not very knowledgeable.
I'm learning a lot from him.
I'm also researching online.
I'm checking out some car forums too.
I'm finding some great deals online.
I'm hoping to test drive a few cars.
I'm planning to do the same.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm meeting with a salesperson on Saturday.
I'm going with my brother. He's good at negotiating.
I'm hoping to get a good price.
I'm sure you will. I'm aiming for a good deal too.
I'm excited about the new car smell.
I'm thinking about the color I want.
I'm debating between red and blue.
I'm leaning towards black or gray.
I'm calling to make an appointment now.
I'm sending you the link to a good dealership.
I'm checking it out right now.
I'm glad to help.
I'm looking forward to seeing your new car too.
I'm sure we'll both find great cars.